When you feel compassion for people, it's easy to fight for justice for people. I was a naturally inquisitive kid. I was a naturally loquacious kid. I was on the debate team in high school. A very important part of my upbringing was empathy. And I think that translates into fighting for the underdog. I also think because I was the youngest girl in my family with two older brothers who, although I greatly admired them and always wanted to be just like them and wanted to do everything that they did. So I learned very early, to lead the way and to learn on my own how to win on my own terms. I'm a really big believer in the concept of if you can see something, you can be something. That's why education is so important. But if you don't know that that opportunity exists, you've never had exposure to that possibility, it's very hard to achieve those things. And one of the great things about going to UCR is, with the fantastic professors and classes there, is I got to see those opportunities. And then I got to choose from those opportunities the ones that made sense to me.
Judge DeWitt is a person of rare character and profound humanity. With a community-centered approach to judging, she strengthens both the fairness of our proceedings and the public's confidence in our courts.
Because I always felt, as a prosecutor, that I had an obligation to do what was right. That meant sometimes dismissing cases or reducing charges or agreeing to more favorable to the defendant sentences. I really strongly believe that you're not doing your job right if you are thinking only about winning. It's about doing the right thing no matter what that entails. Very proud of having been named as one of the California Lawyer Attorneys of the Year, not once, but twice. I'm super, super proud of getting recognized by the head of the Civil Rights Division in Washington, D.C., Tom Perez, and getting recognized by the Attorney General's Advisory Committee when I was in Washington, D.C. That was for my work in civil rights and national security work. What I'm proudest of is that I did that for 30 years and had the blessed opportunity to do that, but that was hard work over that period of time. I really thought I could make more of an impact as a judge, and I think I had reached a stage in my career where I was ready to do it and to do it well because I had that experience behind me. I think it's very important for people in the community who are coming into court to see people that look like them. And I think it's so they feel heard and they feel like people understand them. That is more important to me than any individual achievement.
Judge DeWitt, she was always very good about mentoring younger lawyers, newer lawyers at the U.S. Attorney's Office. And I know she's been very active in youth court and in mentoring young people. She's always given back throughout her career through public service. She wants to make opportunities available for young people who might not understand all the opportunities that are out there. I'm so delighted that you're being recognized. It's long overdue, and you will add honor and esteem to UCR by accepting this award.
I feel very honored and touched to be given this award as a UCR Distinguished Alumni. I grew up in Riverside, so this has particularly special meaning to me to get this award. And it also is just special to be recognized for what I consider my lifetime of work can be recognized as being equally important. It's not maybe as important as the cure for cancer, but still, to be recognized is really special to me. I feel really touched by this award.